Let's learn how to share a project on CapCut for PC. First step, make sure that everything is working properly and that you are connected to the internet. Next step is to open the CapCut application on your computer. If you haven't already installed it, you can download it from the official CapCut website. Now you need to open the project you want to share. To do this, click on Projects in the CapCut dashboard and then select the project you've been working on. Once your project is open, make sure everything is edited and finalized to your liking. When you're ready to share, look towards the top right corner of the CapCut window and find the Export button. Click on the Export button. A new window will pop up asking you to adjust the export settings like resolution, format, and frame rate. Choose the settings that best suit your needs, and then click on the Export button at the bottom of the window. Wait for CapCut to export your project. This might take a few seconds to a few minutes depending on the length of your video and the quality settings you chose. After the export is complete, CapCut will give you options to share your video directly. You can choose to upload it directly to platforms like YouTube, TikTok, or any other social media platforms listed. Simply click on the platform you want, log in if necessary, and follow the prompts to share your video. If you want to share your project file itself, or just the video file, you can find the exported video in your chosen export folder on your PC. You can then upload it to cloud storage like Google Drive or Dropbox, or send it via email or messaging apps. I will not proceed with sharing this project because I already have my video ready, but in the end, it should look like this. Thanks for watching and subscribe to the channel.